This is all what you've been waiting for, baby. This is what you've been waiting for, baby. This is Man McKibben. Check it out. Dang, look at that. God, baby. Ooh-wee. That thing fly. Turbo R. I'll take one. Thank you. Y'all want to hear it run? You want to hear it? Want to hear what it sounds like? All right, first hand view. Now, this is what it sounds like, baby. All right, I ain't gonna go crazy on it because this one's sold, and they said, man, just take it easy on it, okay? Oh goddamn, man, whew. That's a like time travel machine right there, baby. You've gone back into the 80s. Welcome. I'm Man McKibben. Come get your RZR Turbo R. Woo. My man out.